Is $20 per day enough to generate results in Google Shop? We are a new fashion brand and testing out Google Shop ads. Average order values $200. Our cost per add to cart is $8 on Meta ads. We are wondering if spending $20 per day for a 5-day campaign in Google shopping optimizing for add to cart is enough to generate any useful data or conversion. Thanks. Okay. So first of all, in my opinion, I don't know about your location and I don't know about regarding your Meta ads, how much big location you are targeting with this. So I need to figure that data as well. But I think that $20 per day budget is very less to run Google ads, in my opinion, unless and until you pinpoint a specific radius custom location. Which I think I assume you may be doing with the Meta. However, the scenario may be different. Also, you can use Google Ads for remarketing as well. For the what people are converting on Meta ads, you can retarget those on Google Ads as well. This is just an additional thought. However, in my opinion, 5 days campaign is not sufficient either. The number of days you have suggested, 5 days, is also very less. I think that you may need to give 1 to 3 weeks as well. Also make sure that your conversion tracking is working fine, because I have seen and experienced many people have the conversion tracking not correctly enabled, which causes the whole function to collapse, because the Google's algorithm cannot detect what kind of people are converting well, which is why I suggest that your conversion tracking needs to be working fine in order to test all of this. And in my opinion, start with $300, $250, and segment your locations, your demographics, and look around for your keyword intent to figure out what's working well for you. And if you're using Google Shopping along with the Google Merchant Center, with that you need to list your products on the Google Merchant Center, so you can run on Google Shopping ads or PMAX ads. So that can also be done. But again, 5 days time is a very less time to test around, and $20 per day budget is also less. I want you to get the data of what days are working well for me, what times are working well for me, what products are working well for me on Google, if remarketing can help. So there are so many things which I need to look around before deciding on. But in any situation, I think that $20 per day is not sufficient. You may end up getting disappointed with Google, which I do not really want. As the Google part, I do not want you to get disappointed with the Google ads. So what will happen is you may not be bothered with conversion tracking or taking the maximum out of it, because you are not spending much money. So which is why I think that this may not work well. So increase your budget. This is my suggestion with it. And if anyone needs a professional help with Google Ads audit setup management, just to let you know that my company name is ARSWEBS.com. We are a Google partner company and we help clients in Google Ads audit setup and management. You can find the details in the description of this video and how you can reach me and my team to get started. I hope this answers your question and query, and we look forward to working with you as well. Take care. Bye bye.